EC moto?
EB moto. EB, EV, EB.
Yeah, I also think I'm gonna try to use that. I'm gonna try to make one deck.
You send it to me when you make it then.
Yeah, because I'm playing so much motorized, and I don't know. I think there is some interesting unit.
I mean, for one, the AA is nice, you know? Like OSA's, like OSA AKM and OSA AK are very nice to have in moto decks in general.
Yeah, and also you get the Playman too in the support tab,
Oh, I didn't even know that.
and that's a big yes.
Wait, in EB? No, you mean Baltic, right?
No, in
Isn't the time in Yugoslavia?
in Entente. Oh, you don't play. You don't talk about Entente.
I'm talking about EB, yeah, Eastern Bloc.
Ah, okay, sorry.
I think Entente, you're just... Wait, do you get M8As in Entente moto?
I don't think so.
Yes? I thought no, huh? That'd be broken.
No, I don't think you get it.
I mean broken, but yeah.
Okay, so we go for the fast push.
And I think, like, I think it's better to do an unspec deck, which is moto style, you know, with like 3 moto units, or even 4.
Yeah,
And
so
like more weakened infantry. And so. Like I have 2 squads of Abwehr Spezialni and Putzgemichi.
did he plan to CV fast against Armored? Like that's a dangerous game.
Why? Why not? Why? You're slow. Huh?
I'm slow, but the thing is, it doesn't really matter if you had 100 or even 200 conquest point against Armored, because Armored just don't care. He wants the 500 point because he gonna do a extreme metal push against you.
Wait, so you just push it 30 minutes and try and kill all the CVs or what?
No, but I gonna push on Foxtrot, push on Golf, not too much on Bravo, but what I mean is that I'm gonna make a big push and never basically stop. But let's see. Let's see. I mean, this is how I see the game from Armored perspective.
I never played much armor decks. Much in team games.
I mean, they're pretty hard to play. And I know the thing is that with Armored deck, you never have the feeling that you're really winning easily. Like even when you win, you know you have to micro from.
So it's like Moto.
Yeah, even more than Moto.
Maybe.
What the fuck? Reserve spam? Maybe.
It could be Störtripper or something. No, oh, it's a veteran seat.
Oh, it's shit spam. Oh my god, it's an. Oh yeah, it must be a super heavy.
He's got 2 2A5 on the map.
I don't know.
Well, he had one in the middle, right? I don't think I can have rotated that fast.
Yeah, it's not him. And he was full HP and this one got damaged, so it can't be him.
Yeah.
It must be the run. But anyway, I'm gonna.
Roland. Peace Shrine.
I don't have peace run, but I have the thunder joke, which is also a pretty.
P5 here, Abrams.
I think I'm gonna. Fuck.
Helicopters. The Vulcan is at the 30 point unit?
No, it's
25.
25.
Oh, okay.
But I mean,
How
it's
much
pretty,
range?
it's pretty cheap.
Yeah, is it? But how good is the gun compared to the pivots?
It's the same, I think. I think it's exactly the same.
So then why would people use the pivots?
Because it's far more accurate.
Okay.
Yeah,
Just
and
to,
also it
using
fire a little
sprays
bit
and that
fast,
doesn't anything.
and it fire a little bit
Less fine?
farther.
Yeah. Further.
I think it's
Yeah, it's 2.6 on
Yeah, it's
pivots
2.6 on the pivots.
and
Yeah.
better range versus pens, but it's more accurate. 40% or 45%, I think, accuracy.
But then for 25 points, you can actually use it as fire support. No? Like, sure, it's still one armor, but it can fucking go brrr. Like 0.2 second aim time? Yes or no? Yes, right?
Yes, instantly.
So then, you know? Yeah, get ACAPs are good. No? I don't know.
You spotted something? What are your orders, sir? At the ready, sir. Any orders, sir? AT loaded. Ready to fire.
Oh my god, the life of an armor player is so boring.
Let's
You
get
wait.
some more riflemen and push.
You spotted
Wow.
something?
Yeah, and use your thunder joke. You could.
Good scout
I
is one
know.
you don't see. Are you talking to me?
Is this? Oh, it's another spam of shit.
Give me blind without it. Let's fire. What can the infantry do for you, sir?
Does he not have A?
Sir, yes, sir.
Not much, apparently.
Yeah, I think he's a little bit too fast.
Sky is ours.
Oh fuck!
Captain and his crew
Oh my god, it's such, this unit is such a joke. Like it's so broken.
Which unit?
Thunderbolt. Like how the fuck this survive? This doesn't make any
Well, it was
sense.
just one plane, though.
Yeah, but I mean, he shot all his missile.
The captain and his crew welcome you aboard.
What? Where did you turn? Are you fucking idiot? Oh my god. Gentleman, you're just an idiot. You're a fucking idiot.
Go to the forest, I think.
Yeah, if you
Is
die, I
it
don't
hawk
care.
now? Or rodent?
Yeah, it was the round 2 from here, I think. Oh fuck, I didn't saw where it was.
No, left. Like where the letter B is.
Here?
No, letter B. Zoom out. Bravo. Yeah, there.
Okay, thank you. So I can be more cancerous with your help.
Yes. Yes, that's what you need.
Yeah, this is that M1A2 Abrams.
Maybe
That's
M1 IP, no? I like that. I like that one, but get
yeah.
your chopper.
Also, but I mean, this is so the area is so narrow. I think I need more cheaper.
Get your chopper to the right. Oh, okay, it's shooting it.
It's already fair. It's just not accurate enough.
Yeah.
Craftsmen are so resilient.
Go push with your Abrams with your rifleman.
Where?
Like,
Here?
against Natras, yeah.
Ah,
Get
yeah, I
like the
didn't
two.
saw.
I mean, I just said I would get the 2-second. Just go push there. Through the forest. No, what's the rifleman?
Platoon is formed and ready. The captain and his crew welcome you aboard. You'd be blind without us. At the ready, sir.
I think my next buy is a CV, I believe. I think I buy a CV now.
I would push him all the way out of the high ground right now.
Yeah, okay. Or I need maybe something to repair and refuel the chopper.
Platoon is formed and ready.
Yeah, like you should have a tank up where the rifleman 90 are.
Has an enemy chopper been spotted? Just spit it out.
And also a stinger.
Bigger the better.
Do you have a seat?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I have the Raven.
The captain and his crew welcome you aboard. It always comes down to the infantryman and his rifle.
Why the fuck? They can't fire. And oh, they kill infantry so fast.
Do for you, sir. Need a ride?
And that was there for the rodent.
Not my war.
Oh no, no.
The sky is ours.
Yeah, and now I see the.
Congratulations, you are ready for your orders,
Up.
sir.
Okay.
The sky is ours.
Yeah, send the M113 in the angle of the Abrams, hopefully. Yeah, they're annoying right now, those infantry, huh?
Yeah, but I mean they're annoying but not dangerous, I would say.
That's true too.
Someone called for a cab?
Like what they do, or except killing some riflemen, that doesn't really matter if they die.
It always comes
I
down
agree.
to the infantryman and his rifle.
Nobody gonna cry for them.
What are your orders, sir?
That's a bit rough. What about their parents?
Where do you need us, sir?
They don't have parents. You don't know the story of the US soldier?
No, he's created in a lab.
There are Terminator. Oh, that's a way to spot my CV. And I believe you're gonna also try to snipe my chopper.
Need a ride?
Yeah, let's go, Abrams. Let's go. Time to finish.
Service, sir.
The chopper got exactly on the good way. And I got a tornado.
Pretty lucky.
Bigger the better.
I think I'm,
And
yeah.
you have to, yeah, you get a fucking. Wait, D ego, C ego, no? Whatever.
Move out, ladies. Scatter formation. At your service, sir.
Go to 5.
I'm gonna just circle.
It's spotted us.
Oh fuck, I miss. Micro. I should have gone for the KWS first.
I would have right clicked the KWS with the Thunderbolt.
Oh fuck, I lost. Oh my god. Oh my god, I miss Micro so
You can
much.
Thunderbolt
Yeah,
Roland.
this is what I'm. No, but I'm already under an A fire. I don't want to eat much more.
Yeah. You kill the KWS?
Yes.
Then when the Thunderbolts get repaired, I would get a Raven.
Right, true. I need the Thunderbolt.
Where do you need us, sir?
I mean, you don't need, but you have them both spots, you know?
But I don't need to, but it will be cool.
Exactly.
Oh, I'm gonna put the toe here.
Awaiting new orders, sir.
Ah, this is so much spam.
What are your orders, sir? Where do you need us, sir?
I need maybe. No, I need one more paladin.
The world considers.
No, I mean, when I have one, I feel like it's not enough damage. You need double artillery to
Well, the
be.
people will. Gee, there's a guy who gets 7 mortars in like the first 10 minutes.
It's an honor to serve under your command.
Yeah, I feel like 2 mortars don't do enough damage. I get 7. God, he's so cancer. He plays US, opens longbow C ego,
But I mean, when I have one,
Yeah.
like I can't
and
really
then goes into.
block him. Ah, fucking slope!
Why do I have the feeling that you're about to put our lives at risk? Customers for a taxi driver.
And now I can beg you, he gonna never get up the hill.
Yeah.
What can the infantry do for you, sir?
There's 10 HE, right?
No, 7. This is why it's not that that good compared to other
Are you talking?
units. And also it's pretty slow to fire and to aim. No, it's not slow to aim, but it's slow to fire.
It's not my war.
Oh, good.
It's not my war. Just spit it out.
go, we can helicopter Raven. We can helicopter Thunderbolt Raven.
Waiting for your orders, sir. Someone need a guardian angel?
I'm gonna wait to see a tank coming up. I don't want to show this.
Adjusting all targets.
Oh, that's where they are.
Anything for us, sir?
What?
Yes, sir.
J5.
Ah yeah, it was an enemy tank.
J4, 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 J4.
On my way to coordinates. Out.
Can I? Yeah, I think I'm gonna get
Did
it.
not have evac.
Yes.
Okay, so get it. Oh wow. So cancer. So bad weapon.
Yeah, that was cancer. Yeah. Plus the artillery.
Most, yeah, for the audience.
But I mean, USA is
I mean,
about.
the seed, I don't know, most people wouldn't say it's cancer, I think, but it kind of is. I don't know.
Waiting your orders, sir.
Oh, that's a dead tiger.
It's gonna be GG maybe.
Yes, sir.
Should be. Well, bye-bye.
Bye.
Good luck.
Spotted something?
Yeah. I don't think I need the luck at this point. I think it's over.
Spit it out. Who do you want us to transport? Waiting for your orders, sir. Adjusting on target. Advancing forward.
Syrian? Are you here?
Yep, I'm here.
Oh, okay.
Are you talking to me?
Just to know if someone is watching me.
Just spit it out.
Oh fuck! I ran out of fuel.
What are your orders?
Yeah, hey, this is something I learned when I play this deck. It's how much USA is bad in ammo consumption. No, fuel consumption. Like most tanks have an enormous
What can the infantry do for you?
need for fuel with a very big
Just spit it out.
with a very big
Waiting your orders, sir.
big consumption. I guess it's the American way.
Sorry, my English is bad.
Yeah, GG. Ah, I like this deck. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Copy.
Ah, so many kills. But I mean, most of them are not in transport, so it's not really the big deal. That's a cancer. Yeah, so I'm gonna close my video now. And you want to